Dear friends, welcome to Joe's Simple Kitchen. Today we are going to make Badam Halwa in instant pot. Only 4 ingredients to make Badam Halwa. We have 1 cup of badam, almonds, 1 cup of sugar, we have granulated sugar, and half cup of pure ghee, clarified butter, and we have saffron here. We are going to use quarter teaspoon of saffron. So these are the 4 ingredients we are going to use to make Badam Halwa. It's very easy process. First, we have to soak the almonds in water for few hours to make it soft. Then we have to peel the skin, grind it into paste, then we can start cooking. So we are going to soak 1 cup of almond in 3-4 cups of water. Soaked in water for 5-6 hours. We have to peel the skin. So once it's soaked, it is easy to peel. Just squeeze it, it comes off. Each one takes less than 2 seconds. Just squeeze it. So we need clean almonds like this. Are peeled. Make sure you don't leave any skin to get a nice smooth texture. Now we are going to grind this in a blender. You can add half cup of water, blend it, and then add another half cup to make it very fine, smooth paste. Almond paste is ready. We added 1.5 cup of water to make this into smooth paste. It should be very smooth. Paste is ready, and we got the other ingredients ready. Now we will start the process. To start cooking, set the instant pot in saute mode for 5 minutes. Then we can lower the heat. Let it get hot and we will add ghee. We are adding half cup of ghee, pure ghee. While cooking the almond paste, if required, we will add more. The ghee is melted and hot. We add the almond paste now. So the almond paste will be cooked in the ghee for almond halwa. It may look like lot of ghee, but badam halwa requires lot of ghee. Like I said, we may add more if required. We have to keep stirring and cook this. Keep stirring the mixture. The ghee is very well mixed with the badam paste. Once it's cooked, the ghee will be separated again. It will be shiny. Now the instant pot is in saute mode. Once it starts bubbling, we have to change the mode. It started bubbling in 5 minutes. Now we change the mode to beans, which is slow cooking. We need to cook for another 5 minutes at this heat. The badam paste is getting cooked at low heat. It is thickened. When you add the saffron, mix it with a little bit of water. It will be easy to mix it well. You can even crush it a little bit. Now we add the saffron. This gives nice color and aroma. Saffron is mixed well. Now we can add sugar. 1 cup of sugar for 1 cup of almond. We are going to cook it at low heat for another 5 minutes. The saffron aroma with roasted badam It's too good here. You can add a pinch of salt which will elevate the sweetness. Just a little. Getting cooked. We increase the timer for another 5 minutes. It needs to be a little more thick. It's cooked well. We just want it to get thick and little more. At low heat, it's cooking. Badam halwa is ready. As you see, it is shiny. The aroma of saffron and badam is too good. This is the consistency we are looking for. Badam halwa is ready to be served. Badam halwa is ready, cooked in instant pot. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and found it useful, subscribe to get instant notifications.